Alright guys, this is problem 21 of the 2018 AMC Test B. And this is one of the easier problems right here. It says Mary chose an even four-digit number n, alright? Remember, four digits right here. She wrote down all the divisors of n in increasing order from left to right. 1, 2, 3, whatever, all the way to n divided by 2 and then n. At some point, Mary wrote 323 as a divisor of n. What is the smallest possible value of the next divisor written to the right of 220 or 323? So smallest possible value. All right, and it's a four-digit number, right? So the first thing that I looked at 324, right? Because it doesn't have to be 330, 340, 361, 646, right? Well, until so I multiplied 323 times 324, alright? Because I thought 324 was the answer right away. But, let me tell you why. So I'm multiplying, I have 12, 6, 4, then 6 again, then 9. Alright, and so I'm going to add this together. I have 15. 1 plus 2 is 3, 7, and then 16. 1 plus 1 is 2, 8, and then 14. But then look, here we actually have a six-digit number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And they're asking for a four-digit number, so the answer cannot be 324, okay? And so, all right, now let's get into actually how you solve this problem, okay? So it's telling us it's a four-digit number. That's going to be really hard to do because 323 here, that's actually, you may think it's a prime number, but it's actually, we have to find the factors of 3. So let's prime factorize 323. Alright, so we know it's not divisible by 2, right, because it's not even. We know it's not divisible by 3 because the digits don't add up to a factor of 3. And so if it's not divisible by 4 because it's not divisible by 2. So we can rule out all the even numbers that it's divisible by. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it's not divisible by any of those. So 3, we can't try out. So it's not divisible by 3, not 5 because it doesn't end with a 5 or a 10. It's not divisible by 6, right? But let's try out. I tried out 7 already. It doesn't work. 9, obviously not because 3 times 3 is 9. 11, it's not divisible by 11, but it's divisible by 17 times 19, okay? So 323 is 17 times 19. And we're trying to find something here that has one of these factors, 17 or 19, because that'll make it easiest, alright? So you have 330. What is 330? 330 is 2 times, where's 330 divided by 2? 3 times 5, right? Or 2 times 5 times 11 times 3, right? Okay? And so 17, 19 is not inside of this, so 330 cannot be one of our answers, right? Because if 330 and 323 were the same, were a factor of this number n right here, then we'd actually have to multiply 323 times 330 in order to get that answer, to get n, alright? And if we multiply these two, then it'd be a six-digit number, so that wouldn't work out. So let's start 340. Where's 340? Well, it is 2 times 17 times 10. And does that work out? Yes. Because if we multiplied all these common factors together, so if we had 2 times 17, alright, these two have common 17, so we don't need to worry about that. Times 19. 19 times 10 is just 190, alright? So all we have to do is multiply 190 by 17 times 2, which is 34. And we'll see if that is a four-digit number. And it turns out it is a four-digit number, okay? And so all we have to do in this problem right here is find because we need, this constraint is the hardest one right here, 4-digit number n. If it didn't have 4-digit, any of these could be the answer, okay? But because it says 4-digit number, we have to see which number here has the most common factors with 323, right? Because we want our answer to be, we want n to be as small as possible, right? And with, especially with these large numbers, okay? And so when it gives you divisor, factor, multiple, any like that, the easiest thing to do is actually to prime factorize the number they're giving you, right? Because when you prime factorize the number, you know the roots of the number, you know where the number comes from, okay? And so there you go. That is how you do problem 21 of the AMC 10 test B 2018. There you go.